Welcome to this tutorial on the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund ETF, also known as VOO. This fund is one of the most popular and widely traded ETFs in the world. And for good reason. It provides investors with a low-cost and efficient way to gain exposure to the U.S. stock market. First, let's start with the basics. The Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund ETF is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the S&P 500 index. This index is a benchmark of the U.S. stock market, comprising the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. By investing in VOO, you are essentially buying a small piece of the entire U.S. stock market. One of the key benefits of VOO is its low expense ratio. With an expense ratio of just 0.03%, VOO is one of the cheapest ETFs available. This means that you get to keep more of your investment returns, rather than paying them out in fees. For example, if you invest $1,000 in VOO, you will only pay $0.30 in fees per year. Another benefit of VOO is its diversification. By investing in 500 different companies, you are spreading out your risk and reducing your exposure to any one particular stock or industry. This can help to reduce volatility and increase potential long-term returns. For instance, if one company in the index experiences a downturn, the impact on your overall portfolio will be limited. VOO is also highly liquid, meaning you can easily buy and sell shares throughout the trading day. This makes it a great option for investors who want to be able to quickly respond to changes in the market. In terms of performance, VOO has a long history of tracking the S&P 500 index closely. Over the past decade, VOO has provided investors with average annual returns of around 14%, making it a solid long-term investment option. To get started with VOO, you will need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. From there, you can simply search for VOO and place a buy order. You can invest as little or as much as you like, and you can set up a regular investment plan to make investing easier and less expensive. In conclusion, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund ETF is a great option for investors who want to gain exposure to the U.S. stock market. With its low expense ratio, diversification, and liquidity, VOO is an attractive choice for both beginners and experienced investors. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start investing in VOO today and take the first step towards achieving your long-term financial goals.